Today I'm going to show you how to check your grades from your Earth Science page. So if you are on your Earth Science page, you can click on Grades, and from there you should see your grades. So right now we have 3 things in the grade book. Your grades will be on the right hand side here. And then you'll also have feedback. So usually if I take off points, I will tell you why I took off points and how you can improve. So that will be there as well. Also, if you're missing anything, you'll see that from this page. And a nice thing with this page, if you're missing something, I've included where to go to get the assignment. So for instance, the Weathering and Erosion Choice Board, you have to go to Classkick. I have the link here to get to Classkick. And then the assignment is titled Choice Board Earth Science Mayor. Also for your username, it's a lowercase w, your student ID, all capital letters, WIVA. Also for the interactions of Earth spheres, you're going to be going to your tools and then assignments. You're going to download that PowerPoint, and then you are going to fill in your answers and you're going to upload it into the Dropbox. I've included the PowerPoint here so you can download it right from here. And I do have another video on how to submit a PowerPoint. And then you have your quiz. So if you are missing anything, it should be on the right hand side here. And then you should also see your feedback from your assignments.